Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my fans, my followers. Good morning, my good people. It's still me, Adam Mili, Battle of the Sea. Nkoleka, congrats, Mwampo. I got this question on phone, so I want to use it and tell people something. Before I say anything I want to say, Uncle Polo, ndị we mu ogene. I want to tell you for something you don't understand. Once you are a spiritual person, or once you are awakened, always allow your mind to be awakened. Everything that happens around you is a message to you. Someone asked me, I don't believe in spirit. I say sometimes, what do you believe around you? I say, what kind of talk is that? I say, think deep. You think, go and start thinking. What is normally happening to you around you? Sometimes you hear voices, sometimes you see something. That's what is happening around you? The spirit. I want to tell somebody something because a call I received yesterday late that night. So I want to use that thing and tell you something. Any land you are, you make money, you buy house, you do everything. The land is favoring you. Mother nature, Nana, Ajana, Bonwani. Ekwete me ekwete ye ekwete n'izu a. Ajana bụ nwaanyị na azọ ndị ya. How are you thinking the land you are? Any day I want to pray, I used to, even if I stay in Enugu, my family house, or Onitsha, anywhere, or Anambra, I used to pray about that land. This land I'm Nkoleka Nwankwo. I know I don't belong here. I'm from Anambra, but please, people should bless me. If you are in Enugu, you say, I Enugu Goziem. It's not about saying with your mouth. It's not about saying with your mouth. I have this in my house. As I come back yesterday, I use one shot of this. I pour it on the land that welcomed me. Any land you are have its own blessing. Like the English divided it. For example, Coast City. Ebony, they know them as rice source states. Likewise, the spiritual rain. There is land you enter where to follow you. You thinking is you. It's not you. It's no spirit in the land. Some big men, some people that are wise used to do salaka. Sometimes they just bring cow or goat killed. The land will come and eat the blood. Tomorrow. Because let me tell you, all spirits they work so. Yes. Some of your blessings may be coming. The land you are living will go and block them. Be stingy. Even common dustbin, they will bring that in. We go back with that thing. If you believe, you don't believe in spirituality, pack your own road and go. It's happened. They can judge for no reason. See, will be coming to you. They go from far place, maybe from water from River Niger or from water from your village. They coming to that land you are. They will reach that land. The land, the sweet in that land will rise. The land is split. They are working. Will rise and say, no, don't take this into this person. No, please allow us now. I'm hungry. It's not giving me anything. It's not even appreciating me. I don't want to and then go and then go thank you. When I come back, I say, land I'm coming back to. I'm back. Welcome me, people. I come back. People should welcome me. I say this with my mouth. I pour hot drinks for them. Tomorrow now, somebody will just come from that place, come and meet me. And that means take this money I'm giving you. You say, that means I will go. I understand the drift of the spirituality. The land you are. How many times have you blessed them? How many times have you talked to them? It's not must that you be in your father's house, and make money. Sometimes you even travel and start making money. How many times have you pouring cold drink for them? Or Fanta, sugary thing, if you don't have, or egg? How are you appreciating the land you are? Are you praying? Any day I go for water walk for somebody or anything, I used to stand there and call upon Anana Mobiakwan, Ananfuma Bem Biakwa, Anumeji, Benemushi Bia, Anumuinem Bia, Mirikunem Bia, because I'm nothing. There are people that will sign the work. I'm working because they are using me to save life. I can't go there and say, Liz water, I bless you first. I bring your water here to bless water. Use your shop. No, that calling my spirit guide. They are your spirit guide. I used to call them. Alusikunnem bia. Alusikunnamu bia. Anyone should be bia. Bia kwano. But before I go from that place I used to call upon the spirit that is in this land, follow me and go. They will move and follow you and go. Enter motor, no accident. Some of you don't even understand what this life is all about. That is why people will see that he's not going to church, not going to debate, but they understand the grace of life. Then they are going successful. You know, I say, when you're willing for Karamoma, they understand the successful. Listen, who tell you about this? I'm telling you what I'm doing. Any land you are, have his own blessing. But one thing about you don't even understand how you connect with them. You want to say something I teach you guys every 1 o'clock in the night. This is magical. Stand. I calling that land. They are waking. They want their eyes are open. The mother in that land, they want you to speak. Yes. You want money. Please, I'm tired, I'm suffering. This land favor me. Yes, Wohanana. Mesalaka. You finish cooking in your house. Just bring some rice or anything that you could put in a plate. Go and pour it in the ground. Speak anything. Now, that spirit, if you are giving things to the spiritual people, split people, you will go far in life. Everything is not about charm. Or about ogu. It's not about Chris and how you follow things. Yes. Me, before I enter any river, on the ground, I used to pour this Fanta there to tell the Obanjana. People don't even understand the river walk. If you walk finish for that river, put that thing on top. I have worked for this person, nothing is showing up. Do you understand the trees? I used to pour this thing on the ground, playground, pour it. Nah, because I match the land and be talking to the water. So you match them, be talking, without giving them anything. You dey crazy. Yes. You dey crazy. That's what I'm telling you. Understand the grace of life. I don't pour this thing, full one on the ground for matching that river. I'll bring hot drink, the small one, pour it all for them. I speak to them. I came to this land to make this thing to work for this lady or to do work for this man. People should come and grant me. To help me and speak to the Mother Nature, the name read of this land. They will stand up and move with you, enter that river. I'm praying, I want to pray in the morning, in the night. I used to call all my deities. I didn't even know some of their names because I didn't know some of their names. Oh, my father's side, please come. I need this thing. Because then they will do many things for you. The land I'm staying and living in Uyo, Karaba have a blessing. The state you are, maybe Karaba, you live in Equenti Street. Equenti is a name. Equenti is a name. So spirits are guiding Equenti Street. Please, I will stay in this Equenti. I will make money. I will build house. Please come and grant my request. I thank you guys for the work you are doing. Once in a while, go take hot drinks, not expensive. Pour it on that ground. Greet them. Thank them for what they are doing for you. Some of them, if person is coming to you, they will go and bring it down to your place. They are working. The land is spirit. The land bunne ajana. Ana bunne nana. Mother Earth, the world is woman. They are moving. They are talking. They are seeing. Yes. I'm telling that I have there everyone is working for me. The land you are. What is happening? What is happening? Yes. Hey, it's like you are just alone in this world. Understand the ways of life for you to be successful in life. Me, I used to do it. A problem bata no wa. A problem bata, bata that place. Mkuche no bi na ba ni bini. Otofu ye wosala ye hoji. Sa ngozi na la ya kutokwe umbutere mu ngozi. Nkwe nchore. I speak that thing. They bring it for me. They are working. Some of them they are hungry. People don't even understand the spiritual part. It's not about prayer, fasting. No. The land you are. How are you appreciating them? How are you calling their name? You are in that land praying. Have you ever for one day call the land I am now, for example, Anambra, in Oka, or in Oka in Habia in the streets. You call that Anambra state you are first. You call that Oka you are. You call your street, the land in that street, the good spirit in that street, come and bless me. Bless them first. I mean, call them. Ask them first. Before calling elder deities that you know. Not calling your papa house. If you want to say something, prayer, never stop saying that and I'm telling you, you will go far. You will fucking go far in life. You fucking go far. Once you are praying, let me tell you, it's your tongue will even save you more. You put it on again. They guys, you put it on. I have never go for any work for somebody without calling my papa and my house deity. The water in my father's house, my mother's house. For calling the land that if I step up from that journey, I will say that land. For example, Enugu or the streets I'm living, for example, Emene or wherever. Emene, I'm going for a walk for somebody in so land. Emene, follow me and go. Clear my way. Enugu state, I'm leaving you people now. Please take me home, safety. I said, stand on that ground and speak it. I will not go. I'm not going to turn back. I must go and come back. Accident is not my portion. Because I made it. I said it before going. If for us to go to another village, you will start on a go. And now when you're Baquano, and then you go Baquano. Oh, no, preach. You know, you by Baquano. What do you mean? But now people are not doing it again. Why are you still sleeping? How many times have you connected to the land you are? How many times have you blessed them? Oh, body fan tank getting it goes in and go all high bound. Our position matters. If you go for a journey, that place you are living, speak to that place. Imangati jana, fine and more. How about your gata? How do you look the region? You will go and come back successful. Yes. Make it as a purity. I don't joke with that. The river I am, the river I came from. I used to visit them, but let me tell you, any state I came inside, that river in Nessa, I used to visit that river. I'll tell them, I'm from this side, I'm from Anambra, I came here. I will stay here 1 month. Please, Mother Earth in this bless me. I came here with this offering. Please see what I came with. I will stay in this Enugu or stay in this Oka or stay in this Oyo and Abuja. But let the blessings of the Mother Earth reach me. I'm not from this water. But I came because I love water. I'm water person from another state. But I came to collect blessing. Bless me. Let the blessings of this land favor me. So why are you still sleeping? Are you not connecting? Let me tell you, I'm teaching you guys what I'm doing. Everything I know about somebody that is doing it for you. The place you are, how are you doing? Can you name it? Come on, ego, I'll say, go for this week, this next week, you go believe my chaplet. Manzu for a chaplet, I will go to Bunzu. Can't I just moria, Lorun chaplet. Chaplet, ifo. Izunzu, and I go to but chaplet in a bell. No screw down. I won't you now. And just I be pouring into to your ancestors. So whether you are from Calabar, you say in Abuja, you can connect with them. They are your DNA. How many times? The land you are, how many times can I work hands? Atunzu na. Whichever thing you are doing, be smart. Everything is not about do for me, do for me. What will I do? What will I do? I want to tell somebody something today. You have called me yesterday night. Keep on asking questions. I want to do this live video. The land you are, have a blessing. Any land you are, have a blessing. It's how you are connecting. If you are praying, speak. Call the gods of that land to come and favor you. They will come. Before calling your people that is far away. Because them are the one you are seeing. They are the one you are with. Call them first. Before calling your father's house, mother's house. Once you want to pray, never hesitate to call your father's house. Whether I am far away from the land, I used to call them to come there. Before I call them to come there, I also appreciate the land I am. Can someone understand? That land is not near. Also land. I appreciate the land and bless the land and tell them my own what I want. Tell them, see me, I'm here. Oh, I have come on your bed. Welcome, mom. I'm a visitor. Asking for Manambrabia, Kakano. Please come and bless me. I will make many things. I will do. No. Hey. Start doing this. Stop keeping quiet. Tagging a small ritual you'll be doing. You'll be seeing effect, progress in your life. It's not about sitting down. Nothing is following me. The land you are is suffering. Start it today and see wonderful. I'm doing this. I don't joke. Any land I enter, I'll connect that land immediately. Now, what go land do? This is why I'm working. Money will be flowing me. I will never bear of hungry. I will never lack. Land them but now favor me. See me asking for my number that we jack. I go in my back. We go and then open them. Ngati jack and nan do. People should follow me. Take me home peacefully. Before going to that seat, I will be praying. Even in the car, I will be praying. I will be speaking. A powerful. Improve your powerful life. Activate yourself. You wake game alone wake. I'm telling you, the land you are can favor you. When people leave their father's house, go to another land, they will see blessing. That land is land blessing you. Obro Ben Laden Agozig, all land down in Agozig, but you don't know. Yes. Any land you are, keep on connecting to them. If you don't know how to pray, you live in general yard or one yard that is not okay. At night, wake up at 1 o'clock, start speaking to the universe of that land. I will never go empty-handed in this land. This land must favor me. I am here. I am from this so place and come to here for me to make money. Let money follow me. Let wealth follow me. Let my husband locate me in this land. Please, you open a game maker. Akoma pi luma aka na oboda biko do abu onye obia ummeteko onye obia na ofuma. Say it works. Any land you are is a blessing. And go to anybody's land now, stay there, pray, finish, pour this thing. Everyone will locate me. People start liking me in that place. It usually happens to me. Is what I'm doing. I'm telling you guys, never joke with any land you enter. If I go for any work to somebody in any land, I will first of all appreciate that land. If you don't like you, if you work finish, when you pop for anything for water, they go start that thing for you. You want to go to somebody's house, you knock. Batawa, ko, enter. Enter, go ni ebia. Obole ma tell me madnike. First of all, go around, appreciate, thank them. I'm here. I came here because of your daughter. You want to water settlement. Please, I'm from here. Introduction. I'm this, I'm that. I just came for to go Nama. You go to what to say. You speak it. You appreciate them. You thank them. You bless them. You tell them what you want to do in their land. They will accept it and be looking at you. I'm going to be I am whatever man in Ike. Yes. I'll be pushing them. Then you will not tell them what you came for. I came for here. I came for this. I came for here. I come for this. You're part of them. So you can't come them and just start claiming them order. Sometimes if you push the other away when you don't yank on your beer, all I John. Already Ronya one, they will never assign it to you. Ye more honey. I have chilling them. You call upon your own spirit guy to come. Now had that barrow. Hannibal at barrow, those gland and your own got barrow. Become one wife of a little who marry a better beacon. Who had up one gobble. Ask him maybe I better beacon. Sign on all. And not barrow now more, but in our all. How do that one for somebody? That person will get testimony. It's on you. Some people are doing it safe. The land you are, any land you enter will favor you. If you believe it, I'm telling you the facts. Yes. Appreciate that land. Tell them what you want. Start speaking. It's what you will do to yourself. Seeing favor to you for your son's side. Never allow that land you are to pass you. Any land I enter, in the kubu, the blessed land must locate me. Name me Obuda. We Obuda get ye. That's why I go to people's water and succeed. I don't know when get oh. I'm at the message at a million or the Capia Montali. Call me Gia Garden Midi. You got a million, I'm what I mean. I'm it's in your water. You stay there, bleeding now. I'm not from this water. You go honey, she and million. Is she important? Also, how many get better? Even 1 million. I mean, they will you speak, plead. They are not your water, but they should come and bless you. I go to any water. I came in the street, I go to their water and give them. So they used to give me back. It's your mouth. Before you enter that water, pour something. Waranda ajana, waranda wanjana. They need food too. Water. You will try by kegi. If you are going, blessing will follow you. It's how you talk or talk. Know how to collect things. You will go and succeed. Not to go, you carry course and come. I'm suffering. No, help me. Some people want to help you. Who is helping you? Introduce yourself. Beg them. Tell them the truth. It's not my water. Water she number otabia. She my number ebia. Akota mobodo ofuro. Tab mo number. Because name can na wolokowa. Yes. I'll go to Enugu, go to their water. Come na wolokowa ze. If you ora kwa gesi na agona kwam sisi. Na ka bare ye mu nicha, na biko batawa. Nwa mo biko batawa. Iyi akomo fanta. Ya mere gi, happy mere gi ya. Na ke na akọ. All people will go to the water to see the guys they see and kanjo. Mouth you used to talk. People will travel to oversee, make money. You have your own problem. Mouth kijiku. Know how to connect to the universe. Universe is for everybody. You have power. Let me tell you something. Everybody have power. You have an ancestors. They are waiting for you to reign, to grow. You have power. You have power. Stop looking for people that have brought their own. You grow power. You beautify power. You impact more in power. You expand power. Are you expanding your own? Are you growing your own? Are you just still looking? This little thing you'll be doing. Gradually. That land you are. Keep on asking. Keep on introducing yourself. Keep on telling them your wishes. They will grant it for you. Every land have a blessing. Some people will go and carry cross call. I John blue cross about. I got milita. Hey, Ishimo, Shina, Wamo. How do you go there and introduce yourself? It's the trees of the world. So I hope I have answered the person that called me asking me question at night. Have answered you. Land you have for you. Connect to them. Ask them anything you want them to know. They will tell you. They will favor you. People were saying that some water are wicked. I never go for any water. Come back. Start crying. I go, I laugh. I introduce myself, who I am. I tell them, should I come in? I prayed. I tell them who I am. Not part of you guys here, but I'm still a water person. I came here for this. Please grant this. I call upon my father's side deities. All of them. I was bed now. Why was be the bed name? Mom came now so be over. You are a human being, but the spirit is one that speak for you. So you have to call them. They will stand. Once I drop that thing in the water, I used to see the results. I never see any attack. Never attack me. I go to any water, sit and come back. Nothing like attack. I know how to introduce myself. Before I go in, I pour water. I pour something for the hen Obanjan. What's under Obanjan? It's the land you match and come into that water. Have you given them something? You know, child media, and after saying, I have worked for water, nothing is happening. How are you connecting with them? How are you connecting with them? Understand the trees and start moving on and start knowing how to connect with your own. Everybody have power, but do you know how to use your own? Do you know how to grow your own? The land you are can bless you. Because I will just travel to another state after praying. Pray. If I go to buy something in a shop, someone will just pay for me. Ogo ha butele no nya. Ibuke kpare. Ebute mmadụ kwara go ụgwọ. Ebute mmadụ onye ga-ego. Ebute man, you make a friend that will lift you to bless your destiny. Now them pray that thing. They enter person and bless you. Yes. But even now somebody now system but nothing happen. And ebute gị ndị akala oyi, ebute gị ndị ga aja gị jaga, na ebute gị ndị oshi na pege so goshi. Yes. I'm telling you the fact. Open your eyes, oh. Start doing something so you prosper more. It's a thing that you'll be doing in your place. You'll be connecting to the land of the universe. Please, if you like, whatever you want to check on me. Ajana bụ wine. Mmiri bụ wine. Wine bụ creator of this world. Wine bụ ewe ụwa. Ndị nwoke ekweta check on me man ekweta. Go and browse it. I teach research, ask people. This talk only the wise are waking, understand it. The earth is a woman. The earth bụ wine. Ajana bụ wine. Ọ na-amụ nwa. Ọ na-amụpụta ya mkpụrụ osisi. Mụta gị many things. Ajana bụ wine. Mmiri bụ wine. Wine. Ọkụ wine. Wine bụ the god of the world. What take kwetara? Achọkọ m ịma. Okwu dị na nwa ga-eziokwu. Go for research and research your own. You go find the truth. Once again, I thank you guys. I love you guys so much. I will also enter back to WhatsApp, start ending the message. I tried my best. I will also enter back. I have WhatsApp. Who back there? Imagine my bed. I think that small. You know, so calling me, telling me attend to my own. I never reach your own. I go attend them. I attend the message. Once again, I told you guys before that my WhatsApp wiped out. If you have sent me message last week, please, I have lost it too. I have not seen anything. Please resend back. Once again, I love you guys. I just do the live video early morning. Just now, I just waking up. Most of the call I only received yesterday night. I want to teach that person something. So some people ask me questions. I use it as a teaching. So next week, please get prepared. Practical. I have many things. I just have many. You can see my candle. The glass one, called the easy. The candle. What am I wearing? But then you hold it too much. My fantasy, there are many. Come now, I'm me. Shot by shot. I have many of it in my room. So, you put a material, buy your own, connect. But you don't work in a house that you start working for yourself. Everything about work for me. Work for yourself, you have power. God the one Monday. I said next week Monday, our teaching will start. Before you go out today, photo surgery. I will think I'm forever. See the one in me forever. Can see it. Because surgery 7 what if it's shadow? You make him attract negative people. You need open and what again, Doma? Use it 7 like this 7. Do it in your surgery. Do it. If we wear 7, turn on. Your mouth will be able to you any negatives in your mouth. Right? Before going out, you bring this I have here. You can see my table. A little plate is there. My bay leaf is there. On the table in 24 hours. This is bay leaf. You bring bay leaf, water marker, all these. You write money, love, joy, forever. Burn out. You connect it. Burn it. Speak it and burn it. Go out. Something must happen. Is how you are connecting. I have all this in my house. I never joke with any. Isn't it again when come now back one sharp. No dolly, no. So start your own. Have many things. Even my belly, keep it. I also teach me about this belly. Caress is next week teaching. Caress. I have a lot of teaching to teach next week. Carry singa kuzie. Here you know the words of Mother Earth. The first money the African eat. The thing that connects to loyalty, happiness, joy, money. Agun ne ya de njo. If you na told you, imani ya adronjo. It attracts what you can't even imagine. Some spirits will see this thing and come closer to you and bless you. They will see it and follow you as an escort. As an protection. People should start coming back to tradition. You never know something. You never know. You never see. And yes, hey, I don't really go wrong. Nah, Imaro. Now you just see me. I like you. You take this thing. Hey, but Asu, how are you wearing your own? Are you proud of them? Water rules the world. Ndoka mmiri na-achụ ụwa niile. Nne mmiri na-achụ ụwa. You drink water. You bath with water. You swim with water. Water is life. Without water, nobody can survive it. Nne mmiri bụ ewe ụwa. Are you representing nne mmiri? Are you representing her? One mmiri, you are hiding yourself. I have this thing. I have the one I wear in my waist. The one I wear in my legs. Even the one I use as this one. I dress to go out now. And they put on all of them. They go. They give me what I want. Name me, they move. Sometimes they used to come to the market to buy. They will see you. Oh, these ladies are appreciating us. A bit of gift for Zubo. I say, oh, magic. Oh, magic. Oh, Mariana, be wise on time. Like, who will not deceiving you? Carry is so powerful. I'll teach you how to use it. What and what to do with carries for you to be receiving favor. Once again. Everything is not about Alpha. You can ask Alpha anything, but not everything you ask. Land, you are giving something. Will you be asking Alpha? Did I give the land? Nah, you ain't about Alpha. How be you give Alpha? I love you too. I love you so much. Share this love won't go on. Oh, I love you so much. In fact, I love you more. Yes, keep on representing it. Yes. Yes. Don't be afraid of them. Represent them. I love you too. I love you so. I love you guys. Love is too much. Yeah. I love you guys. I love you so much. I'll try my best. Let me tell you, let me tell you guys something. You have to understand. The mission on Facebook is not about to do anything apart from open people's eyes. You can go to my former account, Congrats one. When I enter Facebook first, I was awakened. I keep on teaching. When I didn't even have friends, keep on teaching. So that at the first account, Mazuna Beje Jide, good my account since. If I open this Adam Midi, my water name, it said from Bobo. It's not about learning from people. It's what my mission, ancient lady. I was in mission to bring back the old ways. So get ready to learn more from me. And let me tell you, what I'm teaching you is not about book. I sleep they give me. I stay like this, close my heart 1 hour. They teach me what I will teach. I can come up with the teaching any seconds. So my teaching come by inspiration. It's spiritual. It's not much reading. I read sometimes, but not reading that is helping me out. Once anyone entered me, I start teaching. Sometimes I will see me, I will vibrate. That will be cool. That will be dull. It's the one that enters as teaching. Extraordinary. The greatest. So you can master me, you can learn me. I change. I change. I change. I'm a small lady, but the ancient being. When somebody is calling her name, understand her name. Extraordinary lady with a great destiny, ancient being. In spiritual and I'm an old woman. I'm a old woman. But in life, I'm small. My brain is too much. There are many in me. Once anyone call me, I will act. I change. I change. So I don't learn what people say. What people teach, I don't learn. I teach my own. So anyone that you see tomorrow, just believe it is not much me. It's people that's in me, controlling me. It's my mission. That's what they tell me to be doing. I'm doing it to convert souls to the main people. We have lost many things when they colonize us, they killed us, raped us, do many things to Africa. So if you are still there, you need to come back so that they'll start using you. And once they start using me is when I accepted them. I denounced her, they now entered me, start using me. So I'm extraordinary lady. They created an ancient being. Adamiri, my water name. Congrats, my name, Papa give me for a reason. Nkoreka Mwampo from Anambra. I love you guys. People have the same destiny, have the same great future, but they are still wasting time. Allow them to start using you. You grow, you grow. Once again, I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. I thank you guys so much for helping us. I love you guys. The love is too much. It's extra much. I bless the man that called me this early morning. Congrats! Did you see you were so wonderful yesterday? Take 5K. Cash card. Sharp, sharp. Oh, Papa, may God bless you. Thank you for supporting me. It's not easy. 5K charge card. Nah, all the people know that what I will bring this will be fire, fire, fire. Get ready. Let's see.